This is another Honda CBF125, new shape, 2020 model, and to be honest I wasn't really going to make this video because I fixed so many of these now on the channel, you guys must be getting bored of them, but it's what I've got and this is bread and butter for me, so I figured I'd throw the camera on and I'll just make a really short video. So what I need to do is to put the new lock set in. I've already done some work on this bike, so I've pulled off the old lock set and I've got a new one. So first thing to do is I need to grab my 10mm spanner and take off these nuts. So nice and easy, I will just loosen all these things off. Okay, so put that to one side. Now I can put my lock set into this. The lock is now installed, so I can just pop back up. So the lock set is now installed and handlebars back on. I've got a lot of these parts on the front now, so indicators have gone on both sides. All of these wires are being connected up underneath here and they just slot in behind these black plastic pieces, and this is the ignition, the new ignition switch, so I need to connect it into this one, which I'll do in a minute, and once that's all connected up I can then fit this whole front assembly. The switches are going on, but unfortunately I don't have my drill with me and I need to drill some small holes in the handlebar to accommodate the little pins that are inside there. So I'll have to do that when I can grab my drill from the other garage. But looking good, I'm going to press on and get this front together. Time to fit this front end onto the bike, and the way to do that is plug it in first, test that the headlight is working okay and everything turns on, test all of the indicators and all the bits. So all of that stuff's working, so I can go ahead and install this. And so I have to line it up both sides at the same time. But if I start on this side first, and I had to sort of feed the plastic around the other plastic and just sort of clip it into place. It's a bit awkward to film this, so I'll just go ahead and do it. So I'll do that side first. The Illuminati are coming to see me. There they are, coming to check out what I'm doing. They're always flying over my house, having a look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to do this off camera because I don't really want to snap any of the fixings, but you get the idea. I've shown this before. I basically put this headlight on from both sides. Well, that worked out really well. So this bike is now completed and I've put all the bits on. The front went on really well, so that was cool, and it's wrapped up and ready to sell. The engine starts immediately and I'm really happy with the way this bike has turned out. It looks good, it feels good, it's going to be priced right, so this is on sale for £1,500 and it should go pretty quickly. In the last week I've sold quite a few bikes, so that frees some space up for me to go ahead and rebuild a few more. I'll be doing some more interesting bikes coming really soon. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and smash the like so that I can keep making these videos. Thanks for being here, see you again soon.